I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone is unlocked and has enough battery. This prevents interruptions during system changes. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Display. This is where Theme controls live. Make sure you are using MIUI on your Redmi Note 4. If so, tap Display, then look for Dark Mode or Theme. You're doing this first so subsequent steps act on the correct menu. Don't go into Wallpapers or Lock Screen yet. We need the display settings. Now you locate the actual control. If MIUI provides a dark mode toggle in display, flip it on. If your Redmi Note 4 lacks that toggle, open the Themes app and search for a dark or night theme. Select and tap Apply. You'll see system UI elements change. Allow a few seconds for icons and backgrounds to update. Make sure to check both system apps and supported third-party apps, because some apps follow the system theme while others require their own setting. Finish by inspecting key screens, settings, home screen, and an app like Messages to confirm dark mode applied everywhere. If some areas remain light, restart the phone. Rebooting often forces the UI to reapply the theme. If issues persist, clear the Themes app cache or open Themes and reapply the dark theme. And if nothing changes, check for a MIUI update because older builds on Redmi Note 4 may lack full system dark support. Updating often resolves compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.